Hey creators, welcome back to 0am. In today's video, we're creating an AE style color correction, completely inside Alight Motion. This look gives you that After Effects level depth and tone, but fully on mobile with zero heavy layers and no lag. I'll walk you through each adjustment step by step, clean, simple, and smooth. So grab your clip, follow along carefully, and by the end, your edit will look just like a professional AE project. Let's begin.
I grew up reading stories, how I believed that I could climb through every page. How all the fire and glory, all the revenge and all the rage. Have you heard of the heroes ending? They couldn't protect and they couldn't defend in all the way. Have you heard of the heroes ending? If we go further, then we'll never be the same. Heroes ending. I feel us getting older. Behind my bones, a touch that rolls left my soul in a different place. But it's never really over. Returning again on a different face in a different way. Have you heard of the heroes ending? They couldn't protect and they couldn't defend in all the pain. Have you heard of the heroes ending? If we go further, then we'll never be the same. Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with emotion. Following the light.
And that's your AE-like color correction made fully in Alight Motion. Clean, balanced, and ready for your next edit. If this tutorial helped you, tap like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more professional level mobile editing guides. This is 0am, helping you edit smarter and smoother. I'll see you in the next tutorial.